If you're running QuoteWerks with an Access backend, it is recommended that you run maintenance on a docs.mdb file at least once a month to promote a healthy database. This entails compacting and repairing the database and ensuring that it is in a state that won't degrade the application's performance. Running maintenance is particularly important if your docs.mdb is approaching or above 200 megabytes in size. In order to run maintenance, you will want to utilize the QuoteWerks Medic utility. This utility is stored in the QuoteWerks folder. To run maintenance on your docs.mdb file, start by ensuring no one is running QuoteWerks and navigating to your QuoteWerks folder. A quick shortcut to get to this folder is to navigate to Help, then About, then System. Next to the install path, you will see a path that leads to your QuoteWerks folder. To open this folder, click on the install path. This opens Windows Explorer, where you can see all the files and folders that are used to run QuoteWerks. With the folder open, close out of QuoteWerks as this is required to run maintenance. Scroll down and click on the medic.exe application. This opens the Medic utility. To run maintenance, click on the Maintenance button on the toolbar. This opens the database maintenance window. Select the docs.mdb file from the list and click Start to run maintenance. Maintenance will run on the file and it will work to repair any corruption and compact the database. Once complete, you can click on View Log to view the results of running maintenance. Again, you will want to run maintenance at least once a month to promote a healthy database. Alternatively, or if your database exceeds 500 megabytes, it is highly recommended that you move from Access to SQL for your backend database. This requires the corporate edition of QuoteWerks and does not require maintenance to be run regardless of size. For reference, if you decide to move to SQL, you can host a database on your own servers, using a third party, or by moving to QuoteWerks' hosted SQL server. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about database maintenance, please see the QuoteWerks help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.